Good morning, everyone. It's Sunday. We have arrived in Florida. My boyfriend and I are staying at my aunt's house. My hair looks a little bit crazy because I slept on it wet last night, but he's still sleeping, so I'm trying to be quiet even though I'm outside. But anyway, we're here for the next week and we had the absolute craziest experience like flying in last night. So our flight was delayed by a half hour because there were storms. We took off, everything was fine for like the first hour of the flight. Then the second hour of the flight, it got a little bit bumpy, but still not too bad. But then when we were hovering over Tampa, we were like 30 minutes from the airport and the captain comes on and he's like, oh, we're in a holding pattern because the Tampa airport is closed due to lightning. So like we look outside and they're like, it's pitch black, it's really scary. We're like going up in the air and we do that for like 20 minutes and then finally like the sky breaks and then we can see other planes and it's so freaky. There's so many freaking planes in the sky. Like I've never seen so many planes at once, and we were just in this holding pattern till we could safely land at the airport. And we landed and everything was fine, but then there were no gates, so we had to like wait on the tarmac for more gates. Then it took forever to get a rental car, and then we finally got here at like 11:45 at night, and we were supposed to get here at like 9:30, so it was crazy. But we made it here safely, and today we have a pretty busy agenda. We're gonna go get some breakfast, do some grocery shopping, and then head to Tarpon Springs, which is a little Greek village. If you saw my last vlog, my last Florida vlog, you would have seen it. So that's the agenda for today, and I hope if you guys are new, you'll consider subscribing and giving this video a thumbs up. So it is raining really hard, but this is my outfit. It's this blue and white polka dotted dress from Express. And we're gonna head to Tarpon Springs, which is like a Greek village. So hopefully we can still walk around in the shops and get some dinner. And hopefully the rain will let up. So I'm gonna take you guys along with me there. Hello everyone, and welcome back to the vlog. Today is Monday and we are headed to the beach. It's a beautiful day. It's like 80 degrees and sunny. There's not a cloud in the sky, and we're also going to go to the Florida Aquarium, so I'll try to get some footage of that, and I hope you guys are having a great day. Starbucks, got a vanilla iced coffee, and we're just enjoying the sunshine. We just got some dinner. We got a pulled pork and I had 2 sangrias for $5.99. What did you have?
I had chicken, ribs, and shrimp with a rum.
And I tried a shrimp too, and so far I liked it and I haven't had an allergic reaction. But anyway, we're just going for a little sunset walk and then we might have a little White Claw. So that's how our evening's been, and we are definitely enjoying ourselves. It's Tuesday and it's our Fort Myers day, and we got some iced coffee at this cute little bakery and cafe, and I got an almond flavoring and it tastes so good. Now we're gonna go ahead to Sanibel Beach and walk around a little bit. So we are walking around this big nature reserve. It has like this huge lake and these birds and just like different types of wildlife. It's called Ding Darling, and you can like drive your car through, you can walk around. It's really, really hot. It's probably like 85 degrees, feels like 90, but it's really pretty, and we're just gonna spend the afternoon walking around.
So basic. Do you want me to turn it?
No, I got it. Happy Wednesday. It's about 11 o'clock. We had breakfast at the Grind. It was really, really good. I had some eggs and bacon and an almond iced coffee, and it was just 10 out of 10. Now we're on the way to the beach. It's supposed to be like 90 today. It's beautiful, no clouds in the sky. It's going to be a great day for swimming, and we are currently counting how many times we hear the song Peaches by Justin Bieber, because we've heard it like 10 times every single day, and it's just ridiculous. So that's what's up for today, and I will catch up with you guys later.
Just another sunny day in Southern California. It's where the people came to play. Don't let them transform you.
We've been swimming for like an hour, and it's super hot out, and we've just been relaxing a little bit on the beach, and we're gonna go in and get some ices and walk around a little bit.
Come and see what you've been missing on a little slice of heaven. It's the only place we're living. It's that West Coast point of view. Easy when it's always summertime for you.
We are at the beach right now, and it's super pretty and amazing sunset, and we're just walking and enjoying the view. We had some dinner. I had a blackened grouper sandwich, and Nick had a fried grouper sandwich, and it was A1. Do you think our dinner was good?
Oh, it's fantastic.
Yes. And now we're just enjoying the pretty sights of the beach. We saw the sunset at the beach. It was absolutely beautiful. It's a little bit after 8 o'clock, like 8:10. The sun goes down pretty early right now because it's April, but it was absolutely stunning. We just pulled off to the side at this little parking lot in Madeira Beach and watched the sunset. Now we're actually gonna go back to John's Pass. It's this little like village and boardwalk area, and do some shopping because there's a couple stores I didn't get to go to because we were trying to like rush and see the sunset. So there's a couple places I want to check out. One of them is like a jewelry outlet, and it has $10 jewelry, so usually can find some pretty good deals there. But yeah, Nick just went to the bathroom, and we're gonna go back and do a little shopping, maybe for an hour or so, and then head back to my aunt's because we have to be up early tomorrow because tomorrow's our Disney day, which I'm so excited about. Good morning. It is Thursday, and we are on the way to Epcot. There's about 20 more minutes till we get there. It is a nice, sunny, hot day once again, and the park opens at 11, and I'm super excited. This is Nick's first time at Epcot, so we'll see what he thinks of it. But I think we're planning on heading to Soarin' first, maybe getting a little Starbucks, definitely getting a Mickey Mouse pretzel, and we'll take you along with us. We are walking into Epcot right on time. It's 11:02 and we are super excited. We hit a little traffic coming here, but Not too bad. So we are trying sake shaved ice.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, it's up there. Yeah, it's up there.
Really good. 10 out of 10. So I'm on my third drink around the world. I got the Grand Marnier slush at France, and it tastes like an orange creamsicle, and I recommend 10 out of 10.
Oh, it's
We are in the Canada Pavilion. It's like a hidden gem back here. It's a beautiful waterfall. And if you're ever in Disney, you have to check it out. It's absolutely gorgeous, and there's hardly anyone ever here. Good morning, everyone. It's Friday. It's our last full day here in Florida. I'm just having some iced coffee, sitting outside, enjoying the very nice weather. I think it is supposed to storm today. The weather has been pretty good except for our first day. Our first day it like poured down rain. So I didn't get too much footage from that day, but yesterday was so fun. We had an absolutely amazing time at Disney World. I know some people are going to be wondering like, how safe was it? I think it's very safe. They yell at you if your mask falls slightly below your nose. So you have to be wearing masks there. There was social distancing in lines. There's like markers in lines. You have to stay 6 feet away from other people. They stop the rides periodically to sanitize them. So if you're a big Disney fan and you could follow the rules, wear a mask, sanitize, all of that, I would be comfortable going there. So I had a really great time. I tried a sake mist, which I've never had before. I've never had sake. And I thought it was really delicious. I got the blood orange one. I also had the Grand Marnier, like martini type drink. I forget exactly what it's called, but it's like a slushie and you get it in the France Pavilion. It's really good. And then of course I had a frozen margarita in Mexico. Nick had the Viking coffee in Norway. I don't think we vlogged that. It was pretty disappointing. It was made with Bailey's and like one other thing. It just wasn't very good. It tasted mostly like coffee, and it was like $13.50. So definitely skip that if you're doing the drinking around the world. We didn't drink around the world. We had like 3 drinks each. And I have to say that the drinks at Epcot aren't like super strong or anything. So like you can easily do, I would say, like 3 or 4 drinks. But it was a lot more crowded than when I went last year in August. The lines for the rides were pretty long, especially Frozen. We waited like over an hour to ride Frozen. It was like wrapped all the way into the China Pavilion. Definitely more crowded. I think in general, Florida is more crowded in April though than August, because this is more of like, it's not really spring break season, but I feel like August and July is more of the off season because it is so hot. But anyway, we had an absolutely amazing time. Today I think we're just gonna go to the beach, go to dinner, and just have a pretty low-key day for our last full day in Florida. We just got down at the beach. We got some Coke Ices. They were so good. And the water was a little bit cold today, so we didn't stay in too long. But we're just headed back to the house now to take a shower and change and then head out to dinner. So this is our final day in Tampa. We've just been walking around Hyde Park Village, doing a little shopping and browsing. Now we're by this beautiful water. So how did you like our trip?
Oh, it was wonderful. Highly recommend.
What was your favorite thing and least favorite thing about it?
Favorite thing, probably Epcot.
Mine too.
Oh yeah, least favorite, probably Salties.
I would agree with that.
Not great. Don't recommend.
But thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!